Today we're doing a tool review on a RIDGID Easy Change faucet tool. So here's what the tool looks like. This one I bought at Home Depot. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a promotion for Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Amazon, RIDGID, Husky, or otherwise. RIDGID is not the only company that makes one of these multi-tools. There are other companies that make them as well. RIDGID's comes with a lifetime guarantee. Woo! This happens to be the one that I bought. The CAT number is 56988. So let's look at the specs. This one tool for common faucet installations and sink strainers. It's got a cubed insert on one end that provides for a variety of common nut sizes. It's ideal for most common 2, 3, 4, and 6 mounting nuts. Those mounting, specifically those plastic mounting nuts that have little tabs that attach a faucet to the underside of your sink. Has a wrench for tight shutoff valves. So if you have an angle stop that's hard to open or close. Has a retainer for 3 or 4 slot strainer baskets on your sink. A 5/8 deep weld socket for many single hole mountings. And a short body for clearance in tight spaces.
Wow.
And you'll note the tool itself, the red handle, has a opening or a slot going up the entirety of the handle. The reason for that, if you look closely in the small detail pictures, that opening allows for the supply hoses. And at the time of the recording of this video, November of 2022, this tool is available at Home Depot for $24. So a little more detailed view of all the options on this tool. On the left-hand side, you see the cube. It's made out of metal, nicely machined. It accepts 5/8, 3/4, 15/16, 7/8, and 1 inch. Again, for angle stops, water supply lines. On the other end of the tool, the other metal piece is for strainer baskets in your sink. So you'll note it has a 5/8 deep well socket. It has a round hole where you can stick a screwdriver in to give you extra leverage. Has some flats that will accept an 1 1/8 inch wrench or an adjustable wrench to give you more leverage. It even has a 3/8 drive, square drive socket there. On the red handle itself, there's multiple slots, and that's designed to fit on the 2, 3, 4, and 6 tab, those plastic nuts. So we'll take a little more closer view. You can see it just simply pulls apart. It's that easy. Again, that's for your strainer basket removal installations. You see the hole there to stick a screwdriver in. There's your deep well built-in socket. The 3/8 drive at the other end. So you see, nicely machined, nicely built. I use this at my work. And again, you can see the notches or the slots for those plastic nuts, different configurations. And again, the handle is ergonomically comfortable, heavy duty. Woo! On the other end, the cube easily pulls out. You see all the different sizes that are available. You can see this end of the tool fits easily and nicely into your sink strainer basket. You can hold it from down below or above the sink. Now looking underneath a bathroom sink, again using that cube, see it fits quickly and easily onto the nut. And you can put the red handle on to give yourself more leverage, obviously. And there's a better view of those plastic mounting nuts that hold the faucet to your sink. And you can see the red handle just slips into those nicely. And of course your angle stops, your shut-off valves. And fits on there nicely, a 3/8 compression nut. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.